guys, welcome back to another one. Today we'll be doing a quiz based on the first module of this course. So this will be a really basic quiz, and let's see if we can knock this out and really learn more about Java. So what would be the name of the file if it contained the following code? Okay, so name of the file. So for the name of the file, it has to match the name of the class. So since it's hello world, it needs to be hello world.java. Okay, what is missing from this Java program? So we have public, class, language, facts, and then covers the history of the language, Java programming language, okay? So what is missing from this Java program? The line to compile code, a single line comment. I mean, we have that, so not this. The main method or the curly braces. So it's missing the main method, since every Java program needs a main method. In Java, what is the purpose of leaving comments in the code? They provide checks that the compiler must pass. So this is false because the compiler cannot read comments. They provide human readable notes that clarify thinking, possibly. They are how words are printed on the screen, nope. They are only present in compile code, that is not true. It's going to be this one. The following code will run without an error, true or false? False, because it does not have a semicolon right here. Okay. Java is a compiled language, meaning that the code we write is translated by another program into a language. True. Java is a compiled language. What will the following code print on the screen? So remember, it always prints out what's in the print line statement. So it's going to print out hello Cody. Okay, and then comment the code with the correct syntax. Okay, so click, drag and drop. Alright, so for this one, you need a single line. Okay, and then for this one, you need this. And then this. Actually, it's the other way around. I think it's the other way around. Yeah, I think that's good. Yep. All right, we passed the quiz with 100%. We can also practice the concepts if we would like to, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue learning. So in the next video, I'll be doing a project on planting a tree, and stay tuned for that video.